A regional bank admits to a mistake that could have impacted the credit score of some of its customers.
And one of them reached out to 2 News Investigates with concerns about Fifth Third Bank. Natalie Tendall is digging into how big the problem is and what's being done to correct it.
Fifth Third Bank admits that it mistakenly told 4 credit reporting agencies that some of its customers filed for bankruptcy when they didn't. I found the problem was discovered months ago, and customers are just now being told about it. Betty Conley from Xenia received a letter from Fifth Third Bank this week, and she can't believe what it said.
We inadvertently reported that you filed for bankruptcy to the following credit bureau agency.
Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Innovis were all told she filed for bankruptcy, when Conley says that couldn't be further from the truth.
How can they do this when I have never even thought of bankruptcy?
Conley says her credit score has been solid, and this news is startling.
And I'm thinking, what has this done if I should come to the point where I need to borrow some money?
People who file for bankruptcy can have trouble buying a car, starting a business, and can even have an increase in their insurance rates. That's because some banks believe it's a risk to loan them money.
This was indeed a shock.
So I called Fifth Third about it, and Public Relations Representative Jeff Kirschman told me the problem occurred during a system change in October, was discovered in November, and fixed in December. But this letter was sent out to customers last week, months later. Why did it take 2 months to notify the customers? Kirschman told me he has no explanation to share at this time. The Public Relations Department for the bank refused any on-camera interviews, but they did tell us they regret this mistake and are working to make sure it will not happen again. They also said all credit reporting agencies have been notified and the problem corrected, but Conley is still upset.
They're just messing with my account. They're just messing with my money.
She wants more documentation that proves her credit score has not been impacted before she makes a decision about continuing to bank with Fifth Third.
It's basically my account that I have there, and that if they do this once, something else could happen.
Now, Fifth Third is not releasing the exact number of customers impacted. They will only say it's a limited amount. They also tell me impacted customers who have had any previous credit issues in the past few months can use this letter as proof of the mistake and the fix. Natalie Tendall, 2 News Investigates.